Welcome back to the channel. We're going to change things up a bit and take a look at a wristwatch, the Invicta 8933 Pro Diver Analog Quartz Watch. Many Invicta watches are called homage watches, a term I wasn't familiar with until I started shopping higher-end brands. An homage watch is a timepiece that mimics the design, style, or iconic look of a famous luxury watch, such as a Rolex Submariner or an Omega Speedmaster, without being a fake. It features its own brand name on the dial, operates legally, and usually costs much less than the original. Who knew? So basically they are legal, and they display their own unique brand logos, and do not try to trick people into thinking they own an expensive luxury item. On the other hand, counterfeits or replicas illegally copy trademarked logos and support illicit markets, whereas homages follow all intellectual property and patent laws. They are a budget-friendly alternative that lets buyers enjoy a classic aesthetic using more affordable materials and movements. This Invicta is an homage to the Rolex GMT Master II with the Pepsi blue and red bezel. The Rolex goes for a minimum of about $50,000. The Invicta, on sale at Amazon, $69,000. The Invicta's stainless steel case is 37.5 millimeters in diameter and is 11 millimeters thick. It features luminous hands and hour markers and has a Japanese quartz movement. It has a mineral crystal, push-pull crown, unidirectional stainless steel bezel and ring, and is 200-meter water resistant. This size bezel looks better on my wrist than the larger 40 or 41. The crystal is super clear, but the bezel ring is a bear to rotate. At first, handling the stainless steel bracelet seems legit, but adjusting it was a pain. The spring bars didn't like being taken out, and I had to replace both the ones I removed . I should have just removed a link rather than try to adjust the clasp, as the link pins were very easily removed and reused. This was good practice, as I'll be changing out the bracelet for a cloth strap on my next purchase. Invicta gets a mixed bag of reviews. The brand is widely criticized for massive, gaudy designs and misleading inflated MSRP marketing tactics. This one had a MSRP of $400. On the other hand, Invicta was founded in 1837 in Switzerland, and today it's a popular brand all over the world. Invicta watches are characterized by an original combination of elegant design and useful features. They've been very popular for years, thanks to their reliability and versatility. The Pro Diver line is considered their best watches. It did come with tons of the blue protective tape, which is a good sign. Normally. So what do I think? Only time will tell? Seriously. For the sale price, this seems to be a perfect beater watch for everyday use, or even taking the wife out to a fancy dinner. Just make sure you don't touch the clasp when sizing the bracelet. I think a blue and red cloth strap from WOE would look awesome on this with the Pepsi can bezel. I wore it to a new gun shop in town. Yes, we have some, and the guy helping me kept checking it out. My first real nice timepiece, a Tag Heuer 2000 series professional, was given to me by my wife before we got married and has been great. I just recently had the date hang up on me, but I'm guessing it just needs a good cleaning. If you're in the market for a higher-end timepiece, consider buying a used, factory refurbished one from an authorized dealer. If through a private party, have it authenticated. So, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay frosty and take care.